Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're starting inside the document. Go to the Home tab now and look for the paragraph mark button, the paragraph icon. Click it once to hide the marks. Alternatively, press Ctrl plus Shift plus 8. That's faster if you prefer keyboard shortcuts. You should see spacing, tabs, and paragraph symbols disappear immediately. Once done, make sure to check a few lines so you confirm the visual clutter is gone. These marks are only for display, so hiding them won't alter your text. If the toggle didn't stick, open File, choose Options, then Display to control marks more precisely. Uncheck Allow or Show all formatting marks, or uncheck only paragraph marks if you want other symbols visible. This is why the Home button is a quick toggle, but Options defines persistent behavior across documents. Once you change it here, Word will remember the preference, so make sure to click OK and then reopen the document if needed to confirm your preference has been applied everywhere. Finish by saving your changes and restarting Word to solidify the preference. If a paragraph symbol still appears inside text, it might be a real character, not a formatting mark. Press Ctrl plus H, paste the Pilcrow paragraph into Find, leave Replace Blank, then Replace All. That removes inserted symbols. If toggles seem ignored, update Office, repair the installation, or reset Word options. And if you're unsure, check Print Preview. Formatting marks won't print unless explicitly set to print.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.